to go there.
Maybe give me my car key.
Me, this one, I'm not giving you.
Mother, tell me something, give my car key.
I'm not giving it to you.
Victor, tell her to give me my car key. Let me go where I want to go.
I'm not giving it to you. Do your worst. I won't give it to you. Do your worst. Everything social media. You carry everything. So people want to video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, wahala bila bicycle. This Lord of Lemon and the wife matter, una just marry. Make una take am easy. Doesn't mean say no marriage now we don't know the people for social media again. Anything just happen on social media must carry on. Any small thing social media must carry on. Hey, now wow, my people. Lord of Lemon, another thing advice when I get for you, if man too jealous sometimes, it's not still good for marriage. If you too dey over, because your wife talk say you too dey over jealous, you know if this way you take marry you, they allow me come out. If you say they go anywhere now, so your mind not the rich ground, you want make sure say you know the place where they go. You want make sure say you follow them, So make you take am easy. And for your wife, for you to go see your ex-boyfriend, you see they bad, no man go there happy put. You understand? You for tell your husband, say, see what the contract where the man want give you, because now your ex, anything can happen. You understand? Now you are a married woman now. You're not supposed to go see your ex. Yeah, you're not supposed. But a lot of lemon, if you continue like this, so they follow woman up and down. One know where they go. One know where where they go. You send somebody, may they follow one. May you trace them. My dear, you just only carry high blood pressure, carry BP. You understand? So you better take am easy. Marriage now small. Or marriage not be waiting now school where person not they go finish. So maybe you take am easy, Lord of Lemon. This is what they come up for us. Your wife, you leave only your wife for us. He not they follow you. He not the one know where you they go. You understand? But you not they leave only her for us. Now that she sees your car key, say you not they go anywhere. So maybe you take am easy, Lord of Lemon. Marriage now small. You understand? When I just marry and I'm a small couple, the girl even they talk say she too young for all those things. You know those things so you go they do. Any small to you, they follow am up and down. For that your big mom, she too big so they do all those things. You understand? She too big. Because your husband call am, he lie to her. You're not supposed to lie to her, so
Victor! What is food? What is food? Mary! Where's my car key? Where is my car key?
Where is my phone?
Mary, give me my car key. Victor, are you in life?
You went out yesterday and you're just coming back. Now you want to go out again.
Mary, give me my car
I'm
key.
not giving you to give my phone. Put me phone.
What is your problem?
Nothing is my problem.
Mary.
Nothing is my problem.
Mary, give me my car key. I'm going out. I don't have time.
Yes, you're not going anywhere. Give me my phone.
I should give you your phone.
Yes.
Who bought the phone for you?
And so, show me you got this for me. It's not my own.
Mother, who bought the phone for you?
It's my own. You collect the phone. You went. Now you went out yesterday. You're just coming back. You're not asking me to give me your car key to go there.
Mary, give me my car key.
Me, this one. I'm not giving you.
Mother, tell me something. Give my car key.
I'm not giving it to you.
Victor, tell her to give me my car key. Let me go where I want to
I'm
go.
not giving it to you. Do your worst. I won't give it to you. Do your worst. Everything social media. You carry everything. So people want to video. I am not giving you.
Mary, give me my car key. I'm losing my temper right now. Give me my car key.
My phone.
Mama, I will slap you now. Can you hear me, sir? Eh? I said, can you hear me?
Give me my phone. Hey, give me my phone.
Mary, give me car key.
Give me my phone.
Give me my car key. Mary, give me my car key. The phone you're talking about, who bought it? The phone you're talking about, who bought it?
Why are you beating me like that? Now I'm sure it's that one.
Wait, the small touch that I touched, that's how you pour
This
it.
is like now it's not to see when you're tapping me. You're not telling me.
Wait, the small touch that I touched you, is how you pour the food
Why
away.
would you touch me like that? Why would you beat me like that?
So this is how you guys are doing.
What are you doing?
Tomorrow that you now said, tell me you're videoing. Tell me you're videoing.
Give me a look like that.
Tomorrow that you say I beat her.
Why would you tap me like that? Is that what happened?
Tomorrow you say I beat you.
Give me a look.
Why would you pour the food away?
Why would you tap me like that?
Do you know how many people that is looking for food?
I mean, leave me alone, Jerry.
Mary, do you know how many people that is looking for food?
What's your problem? Leave me alone. Every time, this time, now everybody keep hearing our voices in the neighborhood. You know that? So that's happening. What is it?
Mary, Mary, Victor, how say they get all these things? How say they get all these things?
Give me my phone. Give me my other phone. Because of you now, I'm not having this from you. Everybody calling from different angles. Messages everywhere.
Mary, what? Wait, you know they respect me again. What's the character way?
Don't let that touch you. When they go for up on you, don't let it touch you.
Mary, what's the character way does it for you? No. Did this way do like this when you buy them? Or when you came to this house, you bring anything and come to this house?
Only that one is in the house, it's in the house already. What is my own? What is my own?
Jesus Christ.
Shebi say I'm not.
Jesus
You said it's
Christ.
not. You will not kill me. Kill her. Now everybody, everywhere, Mary, and me gone.
Victor, hope you're getting all these things. Hope say you get all this proof.
Yes.
Hope say you get all this proof. I want to go out now. I said give me my car key. You're overreacting.
Give me my phone.
The phone you're talking about, let me buy it. Let me buy the phone, give you.
That's your own business, not my business. Give me my phone. Where are you going to? If you are even going out, you're going for a meeting. She keep up, you keep up, you're telling me you're going for a meeting.
You want to frustrate me in my own house? China, you want to frustrate me?
You want frustrating me.
Madam,
you want frustrating me.
you're going to kill me.
I'm not giving you anything.
You're going to kill me.
I am not giving you. Show the violence that you want to show. Let them see it. Maybe you are videoing everything. Show it.
I should show the violence that I want to show.
Yes, show it.
So you know what you're doing. You want to frustrate me. So you know what you're doing.
I don't know what I'm doing. Don't even bring that.
I'm asking you, why would you pour the food like
Why
that?
did you tap me like that? Why would I? You say I want to turn this inside this. Why did you?
So now the small tap that I tap you right
That was
now.
small tap. Say small tap. Hey, you give my card. Is that a small tap? Every time you see the way you're going after addressing. That Shemi did not ask where you're going to. Did not ask where you're going to. Why is it that you be monitoring me up and that? Everybody should see.
Mary,
What be there?
Mary, give me my car key. Mary, give me my car key. Give me my car key. Give me my car
Leave
key.
me alone. Leave me alone.
Give me my car key.
I'm not giving you anything. When I say for the ladies, I will give you. But I don't know where you're going to. Say one call.
Give me my car key, Mary. So it has gotten to this extent now. Victor, tell this girl to give me my car key.
I go here, baby. Tell me to give you what? I'm going to try. I bet she.
Jesus Christ, God. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Victor, this is my other phone. Book Uber for me. Book Uber for me. Bring the phone. Book Uber for me. I don't know why somebody like you know you're married and you're acting like this.
Everybody.
You know you're married and you're acting like this.
Leave me alone, Charlie. Leave me alone. Shebi, you're happy now. I've wasted the food. There's no food for me to eat this time. Carry yourself.
Mary, the phone you're talking about that I see, I bought the phone for you, right?
And so what? You're giving it to me. So what? Is it not my own?
I've given it to you, it's your own, right?
Yes, it's my own. It's my privacy.
Mary, give me
Am
my
I
car
ever
key, I'm
collected
going
your phone for one day? I
out.
want to see what you're doing. Have I ever done
Mary,
that?
give me my car key, I'm going out.
You're not going anywhere. It's me and you. Stay.
Give me my car key, I'm going out.
Every night you stay with me inside this house. You're not going anywhere.
Jesus Christ. God. What's the rise my hand carry? What's the rise my hand carry? Victor, people do what? I can't stay here. Because I might just use annoyance and beat somebody.